Okay guys, welcome to caddy station. Today we are going to draw a simple part. As you can see, it's very simple. So let's start. If similarly pause your video and ask yourself how to draw this, and then follow the following steps. First of all, go to new part, and now I am going to draw this drawing in IPS front top plane sketch. I have to draw a center rectangle from origin to here. This smart dimension, you can see this side is of 38 and this side is of 38 plus 38 by 2. This side is of 38, this side is of 38 plus 38 by 2, 57. Okay, now features extruded up to 11 inches, features extrude up to 11. Okay, now select this face, sketch, select corner rectangle from this edge to this edge, and this thickness is 11, so smart dimension. This side is of 11. Okay, features extrude up to you have extruded up to 57, so 57 minus 11. Why minus 11? Because we have extruding from this surface, lower 11, we have to minus lower 11, so 57 minus 11, it's 46. Okay, now you can see this side is filleted, so fillet of this stripe. Select this face for this once more. Okay, for this select this front face, this side face. Okay, again go to fillet, select this face, for middle this face, and for the end face this face. Okay, now you can see it's done. Now you have to draw this one, so okay, now find the middle plane. So front plane is at the mid, so front plane sketch, control 8. Now select line from any point to this edge, then up to any distance, and this point, escape. Now you can see it's showing 8 inches from this distance is 8 inches and this distance is 8 inches, so smart dimension. From this point to top point, from this point to this point is 8 inches. Okay, from this point to the here is 8 inches. Okay, now you can see we have to extrude it up to 8 inches, so extrude boss base 8 inches, but you can see it's on the left side. What we have to do, you can understand if you have watched my previous tutorials. We have to select mid plane. Okay, now you can see it's done. As I have told you, it's a very simple. Make some appearance if you want. This one. Okay, or you can change its view, so it's ready. Hope you guys can understand this tutorial. If you have any query, you can ask on comment section. If you like the tutorial, then like this tutorial, share to your friends, and also subscribe to caddy station. Thank you.